Smart workshop trick. Cut fit without welding. Measure and mark cut points on the box and pipe. Use an angle grinder for a clean, fast cut. Fit the box and pipe together. Perfect alignment. Cut and join two steel boxes at 90 degrees. Align the edges, tight like a mold. Mark, cut, and bend precisely to 90 degrees. Clean cuts make smooth, even bends. Join two boxes with rivets. No welding needed. Rivets lock tight. Precision fit to every mm. Fit the round pipe onto the 90-degree bent bar. Align, clamp, and fit tightly in place. 6 smart, precise joints for every DIY project.